My sister Katie learned carpentry from hanging out hour after hour, day after day with the family next door, where the dad was an architect builder. Now, some architect builders, and this was one of them, who couldn't stop building. I mean, always popping up roofs and popping out walls. Let's make the bathroom into a terrarium, this kind of guy. So Katie learned a lot just hanging out, watching. She learned how to toenail. Who knows what a toenail is? Toenail in carpentry is where you lean your toe against that stud so you can put in the nail or the screw from the other side. So she learned a lot. And guess what? It was really, really helpful when I was going to rebuild my house. That was always one of my goals. I either wanted to become a social worker / therapist or become a carpenter. And because I chose social worker, somewhere in my life I had to fit this building thing. I just had to. So it was so sweet of Katie to teach me the first steps. So one time she drove 5 hours all the way up from Eugene to show me how to put in that first window. We took the reciprocal saw and cut out the hole where the window would go. And we had the level and we had the square and we had all that. And then we just popped the window that I'd ordered in, screwed it in, and good to go. And I said to her, is it all this simple? And she said, basically. And then we made a closet. And that's actually how I learn, is just doing it. I got nowheresville in powder puff mechanics and powder puff carpentry. I had to do it and have somebody like my sister Katie showing me. The other person who was an amazing mentor was a man around the corner who would come tapping with his cane over to watch what I was doing and advise on a daily basis. I will be forever grateful for how much he taught me. Carpentry itself teaches you a lot. You learn water runs downhill, so that affects how you put on siding and roofing and the underlayment, or what used to be called the tar paper. How you do downspouts and put one pipe within another. So water runs downhill is big. And also, before I did any carpentry, putting things together was all higglety-pigglety. I didn't really grasp that you start at the foundation and you build up from there. You might pour the concrete, and then you have the joists, and then the beams, then the joists, then the stud wall, and then the rafters, and then the sheathing that makes the roof, then the roofing that keeps the sheathing dry, the plywood on the roof dry. In different places, some of this is done differently, but understanding that things are built from the ground up was really an important lesson for me.